Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to share something with you. Today I went to Home Depot and bought the Milwaukee M12 combo kit. I finally bought it. I've been watching it, flirting with it, and today it finally went home with me. It's the M12 hammer drill and impact 12 volt drill kit at Home Depot. You can get that drill kit for $229, and you get Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet with it. This is actually what I wanted to get from out of the whole deal, because I didn't really need a 12 volt drill. But then if I wanted a 12 volt drill, I was gonna go with Milwaukee anyway. I'm more of a DeWalt guy, and this is my DeWalt 12 volt drill. It's very old. It still works. It works great. It works well. But what really caught my eye with this Milwaukee is this thing is tiny. That's how small it is with the 2 amp battery. With it, and then you've got like some nice little settings right here. 1, 2, 3, and drill. It's just a push button on the drill. And what I really like about this is, like, when I'm up on a ladder, like on a 10-foot ladder, I don't want my DeWalt 20 volt drill just like hanging on my belt. Like, I keep this on my belt like this, and it feels like nothing. You can't even feel it. My phone's usually way more than this. With this kit, they do have it on Amazon for $186. I don't know if you guys could see that. It looks a little bright. $186. I'll post that link on the description. But on Amazon, you don't get the free ratchet. And at Home Depot, the ratchet is $149 or $139. But I've always wanted this ratchet. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know what I'm gonna use this ratchet for. But when the time comes that I do need the ratchet, I will have it. This kit comes also with a hammer drill, 12 volt hammer drill. Nice adjustments all over here between drill and hammer drill. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery, and actually this 2 amp hour battery also. And comes with a charger. I was gonna do an unboxing video, but I was way too excited in getting it. I wanted to also go with the Milwaukee M12 series of tools. I'll do 20 volt DeWalt and then 12 volt Milwaukee, because we also use other Milwaukee 12 volt tools. This is just a little quick what's it called on the ratchet. Pretty cool. Reverse it on top. I'll find a use for it. Battery indicator. Great. But yeah, this toolkit for $229 plus the ratchet, it's like $70 per tool, and you do get 2 batteries and a nice charger with it. Another one of my favorite tools that I wish DeWalt would have made is this Milwaukee stapler. This also is from the M12 platform, and this thing really saves the hell out of your hands. You barely have to have any effort in pushing it. You just barely push it like that and then pull the trigger. M12 Milwaukee tools. Also got this PVC shear. I got a PVC shear video on YouTube already. Miguel Torres Milwaukee PVC shear. That was just a video of what we use this for. We use it for cutting PVC for plumbing fish tanks and everything. And this just saves the hell out of your hands too. So between this and this saving the hell out of your hands, I'm probably saving a lot of money from arthritis or whatever. And then also got the M12 multi-tool. Just for whatever's. I'm planning on getting the M12 PEX expander soon, and the M12 hacksaw. But for now, that's basically what I have for Milwaukee. This thing is smooth as hell. Smooth as can be. And the nice thing about it is it's so light. I can put it on my belt. This is actually one of the things that I really wanted from that kit, because you could just have it on your waist. Like I said, having it on the ladder, 10 feet up in the air, it really helps that the tool is so tiny. I'll probably do another video on the review. I'll be drilling screws into wood and maybe a little bit of concrete drilling just to see what this can actually do. But for $229, 3 tools, I'm extremely happy. Adds on to the 12-volt platform that we have, and it's great. You know, if you guys haven't tried this Milwaukee stapler, this thing is the best thing that was ever created. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching.